Tuning into, tuned out, understanding the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used English phrase, tuned out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, tuned out, can be separated into two words, tuned and out. Tuned is the past tense of the verb tune, which means to adjust or adapt something, often referring to a radio or musical instrument. Out is a preposition that generally indicates a direction away from the inside. When combined, tuned out doesn't literally mean adjusting something away from the inside. Instead, it has a figurative meaning. Tuned out is a phrasal verb that typically means 1. To stop listening or paying attention to someone or something. 2. To disengage mentally or emotionally from a situation. For example, if someone says, "I was so tired during the lecture that I just tuned out," it means that they stopped paying attention during the lecture, possibly lost in their own thoughts. Let's see how we can use tuned out in different contexts. 1. During a boring class, the topic was so complex that many students tuned out. 2. At home, when the kids start arguing, I just tune out and read my book. 3. In a noisy environment, there was so much noise in the cafe that I tuned out and focused on my work. There are other phrases or idioms in English that convey a similar meaning. 1. Zone out. This means to lose concentration or to become unaware of one's surroundings. E.g., I zoned out during the movie. 2. Switch off. This means to stop paying attention. E.g., he switches off whenever we discuss finances. So there you have it. Now you know what tuned out means and how to use it in various situations. Remember, language is all about context. So always try to use phrases like tuned out in relevant situations to sound more natural. We hope this video has been helpful, and keep tuning in for more lessons on English language learning.